Hola, 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 Shapfiri Uzeta Fetu. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SAD Ski. On this one today, we got you a policy news. But before we jump straight ahead into a policy's news, make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought comment down below the section. And if you are new to the channel, this is the best channel that brings you the latest sports update. On this one today, we got you Pirates say no to Mbogazi's club offer to buy a police. We all know Guti Begezeli Mbogazi has made a move away from Orlando Pirates to MLS League, which is a team known by Chicago Fire, and Soweto Giants. Orlando Pirates have reportedly turned down an offer for Oswinapolis to join Chicago Fire in the United States of America. Orlando Pirates reportedly received an offer from Chicago Fire to buy Oswinapolis, but without success. Having arrived in July from Polokwane City, the 24-year-old attacker made waves with 4 goals and 6 assists for the Sea Robbers, according to Everything SAD Ski. Orlando Pirates turned down the offer to sell the Bafana star. This inspired Chicago Fire to pursue Pusodi Tejani instead. That's the latest that's coming through from Team Sugazi's team. Chicago Fire initially explored a move for Oswinapolis, but Orlando Pirates were unwilling to sanction a sale. The report said the MLS side subsequently shifted their focus to Pusodi Tejani, as previously reported by the South African. Last November, Chicago signed the Buccaneer 20-year-old Mbogazeli Mbogazi on a 4-year deal that includes a 1-year option to renew. Chicago finished in the 8th position with 53 points in the 2025 MLS season. Mbogazi became the 3rd South African player in the MLS. He joined Olweti Makanya, 21-year-old left-footed central defender at a Philadelphian Union, and Bongokuhle Hlongwayo, the 25-year-old forward for Minnesota United. The same Minnesota United offered 35 million in August for Mbogazeli Mbogazi Pirates teammate Relebohile Mbogazi, only for the Buccaneers to turn it down. Tell me what you think about that down below the comment section. But meanwhile, the Sea Robbers have got their 2025-2026 off to flying start after 12 Betway Premiership games. They sit top the table with 28 points thanks to 9 wins, 1 draw and just 2 losses, and they still have a game just in hand. Coach at Salum Oduado side have been solid at both ends, scoring 18 goals while conceding only 5, leaving them with a 13+ goal difference. A 6-game winning streak has strengthened their grip on the title race, keeping them ahead of rivals Mamelodi Sundowns. The Sea Robbers have already added silverware this season, lifting both the MTN 8 and the Carling Cup Knockout Cup. That has seen them starting the season in flying colors. Please let me know what you think about this news down below the comment section. Do you think is it right for Orlando Pirates to turn down the move for Oswinapolis, cause age is not also on his side? Because we all know when you play abroad, especially in the first world countries, age they start calling you a youngster when you're already in the ages of 16 to 19, but Oswinapolis is just only 24. So maybe if he spends 2 more seasons at Orlando Pirates, by then he'll be 26. Do you think that move will still make sense for him or Ganjani? Please let me know what you think about those news down below the comment section. From your boy Isaac Weso. Nice.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Sibele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is